The city of Bengaluru, remember, which has been seeing a spike in COVID cases. But what is now concerning is the fact that the doubling rate in the city of Bengaluru has picked up pace. So it has now gone to 10 days at this point in time. And this is when the national average doubling rate is about 20 days. In Bengaluru, it is 10 days. And there are a number of reasons for that as well. Just to give you a sense of the numbers at this point in time, in fact, the total positive cases stand at about 43,503, and about 10 days ago, the total cases stood at 22,944. Let me go across to Shrija to understand more on this. Shrija, if you can help us understand what is the reason behind this massive deterioration in the doubling rate that we are seeing in Bengaluru. What are experts saying as to the contributing factors?
Well, Avni, let me put the numbers into perspective right now. If you're taking just July, just this particular month from 1st of July, between 1st of July and 7th of July, this is the 7 days, we are looking at 5,920 cases in the city of Bengaluru. Then subsequently, we are looking at the date, which is on 15th of July. We're looking at a jump. The doubling rate that we are talking about here is just 9 days between 7th of July and 15th of July. With cases being reported from 11,361. This is on 7th of July to nearly 22,944 cases. This is on 15th of July. Now, if you're really coming by over the last 10 days, which is between 15th July and 25th July, nearly 45,000 cases have been reported. So the doubling rate that we're looking at today as far as city of Bengaluru is concerned is nearly 10 days. Now, this is a major cause of concern. Now, you did ask about what could be the reasons for this. Remember, initially, Bengaluru model was lauded nationally only because of the 4T model. The 4T model that we're talking about is tracing, and then we're also looking at treatment and tracking of the patients. But now what we see, the major changes that they have brought in as far as the addition to the 4Ts is especially the technology, including technology. But today, the changes that have been brought in by the civic body of BBMP is that the tracing that they have limited to family members and only those who have spent nearly 15 minutes with a COVID positive. Now, earlier, if you're looking at Bengaluru, used to, in fact, look for even secondary contacts, but it is only now that the civic body have brought in those changes. So that is one of the major reasons why we are looking at a surge in cases. Secondly, coming to the testing capacity, the testing capacity is as low as 8,000 that we're looking at, because if you're really looking by just a couple of weeks ago, where Dr. K. Sudhakar, Medical Education Minister, where he had promised saying that they're planning to increase the testing capacity to anywhere between 15,000 and 20,000. Today, if you're looking at the testing capacity is just about 8,000. So that is another second major reason. The third major reason we see over here is B.S. Yediyurappa, the Chief Minister of the state, had announced for a lockdown, a 9-day lockdown between 14th of July and 22nd of July. So this was done only to analyze the situation, if they have been able to successfully bring down the number of cases. However, that particular, in fact, the entire lockdown idea also completely failed, only because we looked at a doubling rate of 10 days, where the cases shot up from 22,000 to nearly 44,000. So these are the various reasons. And the last and the most important aspect over here is most of the people, especially here in the city of Bengaluru, despite lockdown being announced, they did not follow certain rules. When you're talking about a total lockdown, you do not see people venturing out. But this was something else that we saw on ground, because we saw several people venturing out, not maintaining social distancing, not wearing masks. So another major problem that we witnessed was, even though at various vantage points, the cops were deployed to ensure that they are following such COVID guidelines, but they could not do as much where they should have done. Back to you.
All right, Shrija, that of course is extremely concerning at this point in time with regard to Bengaluru.